is a 1994 Haas model VF2 vertical machining center. This machine has the chip auger, programmable coolant nozzle, auger. Way guards are in very good condition. Wipers as well. Screen is very crisp. All the keypad functions work fine. Buttons are all in good shape. Machine status light. This machine has a 4th axis drive. You see each of the 4 drive cards there. Cabinet's clean. Serial number is 3785. Manufactured in October of 1994. RS-232 port. All the connections there. And there is the chip pan with the coolant pump. And the Haas manual. We're going to run the spindle first on the Haas VF2. This is a 2-speed geared machine. And we're going to run it first at 1,000 RPM. It's nice and quiet. And we'll run it up to 4,000 RPM. These machines were all standard 2-speed geared machines at this time. This is 4,000 RPM. Nice and quiet again. And then lastly, we'll run it at the high-end speed of 7,500 RPM. The markings on the table from vices, which could be steel rolled off. Now we're at 7,500 RPM. Still nice and quiet. And then we'll take it down. Okay, we're going to attempt a couple tool changes here. It's a carousel design tool changer. We don't have any Cat 40 holders in the machine, but we're going to give it a couple of mimic the changes. Carousel moves nicely. We're going to do some XYZ movement. Start off with the X. The machine looks like it's been very well maintained. The way guards look like they had been replaced at some point. The wipers look to be in very good condition. Y-axis movement here. And Z-axis movement. Nice and quiet all the way around. You can see the machine has programmable coolant on it. This is a 10 horsepower machine. And then we can jump into looking at the chip auger. Which rotates fine. No issues here.